Hi guys and welcome to my channel Carnival of Creativity. Today's video is going to kickstart the Christmassy videos. There will be a lot more coming at you in December, but for today I decided to do a DIY alternative advent calendar. This isn't your traditional chocolate or sweet or treat advent calendar, but more of something that you can do. And the the pure structure of this advent calendar can also be used all year round to display jewellery or other things as well. So multifunctional and multi-use, we like it. So if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe. And without further ado, let's hop right into it. So to start off with, you want to grab yourself some thin wooden dowel and just cut 2 pieces of this. This can be as long or as short as you want. You want to make it fairly long to be able to fit all your tags on. Also bear in mind what you may want to use this for when it's not Christmas, so like a jewellery stand or something like that when you're deciding your measurements. But as I say, cut 2 pieces, one longer than the other. One will be your cross bit and one will be your supporting brace. Once you've cut them, sand off any rough edges and hot glue together with a little blob of hot glue, and then just hold it in place as it dries. You can also add some extra around the crease line, and then you want to make your stand. So for this I used a piece of cardboard with some parcel tape wrapped around it just to provide a seal. I then hot glued a paper cup with the bottom up to the cardboard, cut off the bottom so that the taper on the angle was the right way round, as you can see here, and then went all the way around the bottom, sealing it with the hot glue. Once that's all dry, you then want to mix your concrete or plaster of Paris, whatever you're going to be using. I actually mixed it in this container, so you want to put more powder, probably about double the amount of powder in terms of the height to what you want the mould and the base to be. Give it a good mix, add some water in, make sure all the lumps have gone and disappeared, and I also taped my dowel into place inside this whilst it dried. Once dry, you can pull all of this apart, pull off all of the hot glue pieces, all of the cardboard pieces. The beauty about using a paper cup is that you can rip it off and don't have to faff around trying to get it out without breaking something. Then just break off any of the loose bits that may be around the top, and there is the main base of your advent calendar. Once you've done this, you want to grab yourself a load of different styles of tags, different shapes, different colours, different lengths, and write out all of your activities onto each of them. I will leave mine in the description down below, but there we are. It really is that simple. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to subscribe and comment down below what your favourite thing to do is in the festive season. And I will see you all next time. Bye guys!